A very happy morning to all my dear children. How are you all? Fine? Happy? Okay. So children, let's recap our last class. Which is our country? Yes, India. India is our country. And which is our state? Kerala. Kerala is our state. This is our national flag. What is this? This is our national flag. And its colors are saffron at the top, in the middle it's white, and at the bottom it's green. And in the center you can see Ashok Chakra, which has 24 spokes. Also, it's in blue in color. Alright? And next, we learn about national festivals. Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. Every year we celebrate on August 15th as Independence Day. And why do we celebrate Independence Day, children? Tell me. Do you know what's the reason? Why do we celebrate Independence Day? India got freedom on 15th August 1947. So to remember India's freedom from the British rule, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Got it, children? So why do we celebrate Independence Day? To remember India's freedom from the British rule. And on this day, we raise the national flag at different important public places and also even in schools. Also, we salute our national flag on this day. Got it, children? Next, Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. When do we celebrate Republic Day? Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And you know, India got Republic on 26th January 1950. Okay, that means our country became fully independent and no more under the rule of some other country. That is, the people of India got freedom. They have their own rights and India has its own law. That is, the people of India has their own freedom. Got it, children? So, India became Republic on 26th January. And next, Gandhi Jayanti. Every year on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as the national festival of India to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. And who is Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. Who is the father of the nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Got it, children? So we learn about three national festivals. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Understood, children? Alright. And next, let's learn some national symbols. National animal, Royal Bengal Tiger. National animal, Royal Bengal Tiger. Next, national bird, peacock. National bird, peacock. National tree, banyan tree. National tree, banyan tree. National fruit, mango fruit. National fruit is mango. National flower is lotus. National flower, lotus. So let's recap once again. National animal, Royal Bengal Tiger. National bird, peacock. National tree, banyan tree. National fruit, mango. National flower, lotus. Got it, children? So next, let's move on to your textbook. Yes, children, take page number 35. National symbols. Match the national symbols with their names. National animal, national fruit, national flower, national bird, national tree. You can see some pictures with their names. Okay. So, banyan, lotus, peacock, mango, Royal Bengal tiger. So, tell me children, national animal. Which is our national animal? Yes, Royal Bengal tiger. So, you can match like this. Okay. Next, national fruit. That is mango. So, here it is. National flower. National flower, lotus. National bird. National bird is peacock. National tree. National tree is banyan tree. Got it, children? And next, trace and write the name of your country. So what do you have to do? Here you know which is your country. Yes, India is our country. So you have to first trace this. I N D I A, India. So children, what is this? India. Well children, today you have learned more about national symbols and something more about national festivals. So all of you go through all these points and learn the national symbols. It's very important. Okay. So in the next class, we'll discuss with new points. Till then, bye-bye. Take care all of you.